Designers will hate this automation. Yes, definitely they are gonna hate this. It creates ad creatives in seconds. It will give you the final output while your designer is still trying to open Photoshop. What? And the results. See it yourself. All these ad creatives were made by this AI automation. We created an AI automation that makes ad creatives without any effort. Let me show you a quick demo of how it's done. Sign in with your name, email and mobile number. You will receive a confirmation email and you are good to go. Type in the product with which you wish to create the ad with a few details like product name, style, descriptions, and the ad creative will be ready. This whole setup was created with the help of Lovable and Make.com. I used Lovable to create the interface and Make to automate the whole process. Here is how you can create this using Lovable, and of course, you don't need to write even a single line of code. Step 1 is to enter the prompt with all the details about the app. I have created a clear prompt with all the key details like the landing page layout, Supabase authentication, and the dashboard structure with sidebar navigation. It also covers the add image creation form, webhook integration, image gallery setup, and how to store user data and image in Supabase. Now, let's paste this on Lovable. Cool, Lovable is saying that this app needs database storage and backend function. And that takes us to the step 2, which is creating the backend. So we are using Supabase, which provides a powerful backend to store data and add more advanced features. First, we need to create a Supabase account. Just create a new project and connect Lovable to Supabase. So let's start by creating a new project. You have to add a few details like organization, project name and the password. I'm naming this project as add image. Type the password, select the region and you are good to go. We have created the project. Now we have to connect the Supabase to our project. You can see all those details in this dashboard. Just click on connect and it's ready. Connection is secured. Here on the left side, you can see all the functionalities that the backend will hold. We are giving Lovable the info that you are free to create all the necessary tables for this app to function in Supabase. Now Lovable has come up with the codes. Just review it and click on apply changes. I have reviewed everything and I think it's time to create the app. Just give it a thumbs up and it will create the AdGen Studio application with all the requested features. It's taking a few seconds to process everything. Oh, we have a TypeScript error in the sidebar component, but don't worry, Lovable will fix it. And finally, our AdGen Studio is ready. This is how we created the application. Now, do you want to know the automation that made this happen? Keep watching. I'll show you how we created this automation using Make.com. Now let's launch our website from the Lovable app. So let's go and click on this button. Awesome. So we have our cool website ready, just made in few minutes. You can see we can view the examples over here and let's go and click on start creating now. So there are two options, sign in or sign up. So in sign up, you can provide your first name, last name, email and password. And the best part is once we provide this information and click on create account, it will send a confirmation email to our provided email address. And once we confirm by clicking on the link provided in the email content, it will confirm and create an account. So I have already created an account in this AdGen Studio app. So let's go and sign in. Let me sign in. Awesome. So we are in. Here you can see the generated images. So the images which we have generated using our option create add image. So you can see some of the cool images generated here. So here we went with two images. So we can see two images generated. And this is on iPhone. You can see one example. And this is around Porsche. You can see Porsche 911 limited edition. So let's go and start generating the image. So we have to click on create add image. Now you might be asking, what are these options? Generated videos, then create miniature videos, create baby podcasts. These are some of the options we are planning to add in coming days. Yeah. So let's come back. So here this is the image generation form. Let me enter a product detail like football boots. And then I'm selecting a product image. I'll show you the product image. So this is the product image. So I have selected that product image on boots, and style you can give any style. So I'm giving modern and use case. So I'm just going with new product launch. And then I'm describing the product features like, long lasting, highly performing, we have everything as product details ready, and then you can select the number of images to generate, like 1, 2 or 3. So let me select 2 images. So we are going to generate 2 images out of this, and on the image size you can select landscape, portrait, or 1024 by 1024. I'm going with portrait because I wish to post this in Instagram and all. And let me click on generate image. So before I click on, let's go to the make scenario. So this is a powerhouse at the back end. So you can see it starts with a webbook, custom webbook module, where we have configured a webbook URL in the prompt for Lovable, and this has been configured at the back end of this app. So whenever we click on generate image, it shoots up these entire details to the webbook, and then we have image module. The main objective of this image module is to convert all the images we upload. So we might upload in JPEG or PNG or GIF format. So it will convert everything into a universal format, that is the JPEG format. And then we have 2 OpenAI brain over here. So one of the brain is to create a fascinating, awesome prompt to generate the image. So the main objective is, like you can see, you are here to create image prompt generator for ad creatives, and we are giving some commands like your task is to create visually engaging ad image prompt that emphasize and embed high impact text within the image. And then we have mentioned that include relevant tests like headlines, guarantees, CTAs, right? And then product name, style. Yeah, it's a simple prompt. You can just copy this in your own scenarios. And then in user role, we are providing, we are mapping the style, product name, use case, and product details that are inputted in the image generation form. So we get all these details over here and we feed in the create prompt module. And then we use the OpenAI's generate image module. So we have this module generate an image. Here we map the image outputted by the image module and then provide the result from the create prompt module, and make sure you select the option quality as high, and the image size comes from our form. So once it is ready, we are going to generate the image. And very important thing, please ensure that you are going to use the model as GPT image 1, and this is the latest model of OpenAI in generating stunning images. So don't go with DALL-E 2, right? So once that is ready, we have iterator and array aggregator. So its feature is just to go through each image generated and combine them in an array, right? And then using webbook module, so we have a webbook module that is webbook response. So you can see the webbook response over here. So using webbook response, we'll post the image back to Lovable app. So we have this webbook response where we provide content type as a key, application JSON as a value, and in body we'll pass the image as an array. Cool, right? So let's go and make the scenario live, or just click on wait for new data and click on generate image. So it's generating. So let's see here. So we have the output data here, product name, use case, product details, number of images is 2, and we got the image converted, and our prompt is playing the action. So we have this prompt ready, a vibrant green football pitch with a dramatic angle showcasing bright stadium lights to create an energetic atmosphere. Now it's generating the image. So let's see how the image quality looks, right? I'm so excited. So you can see it's loading, waiting for the scenario to complete. Awesome, guys. So I can see 2 images. So let me preview this. Unleash your game, introducing Vida football boots, long lasting, durable, high performance. And this is cool, guys. I just provided the image of boot and see how it has generated. And I have one more example over here. So see the difference. So just a multiple creatives with a small change, right, on the background color of these tags, right? So this is good. And see a gear up for victory available now, and here as well, but the style has changed a bit. And when we go back, you can see while clicking on generated images, it will be loading over here. So that's the best part. It has its own repository where it stores the generated images, add creatives. See here, so we have this already available here, and at any time we can download it or preview or even copy and paste. Cool, right? With this automation, you can create ads for all kinds of products and save hundreds of dollars. Subscribe for more AI related content.